What's up guys? Today I got a super awesome video just for you guys. Finally, the search is over for the perfect work light. I found them, they're right here. They're from Astro Pneumatic, so you guys come take a look at this one. Alright guys, as I stated in the intro, for those of you that's watched my channel for a long time, know that I have a very big light fetish. I believe if you can't see, you can't work. So lights and working on stuff goes hand in hand. I have many different lights and a lot of lights that I like and a lot that I have some quirks about that I'm not real fond of. Finally, the search is over for the perfect work light. These are from Astro. The part number is 525L. And one of the cool things about these lights, they are a double-sided light, as you can see, and it also has a light on the tip. They are dimmable. They do have a battery indicator, which that's a big thing for me because I hate that about LED lights. A lot of times they'll leave you in the dark, and well, you know how that usually ends up. But it is magnetic, it is wireless charging, and also it has a hook on it. It's bendable 180 degrees, so you can use it in pretty much any configuration you want to. Magnetic on this side, magnetic on the bottom, and the cool part about it is you can have the light on either side. So when you turn it on, one press of the button gives you your tip, two presses of the button give you the back side, and when you mash the other button, it gives you both sides. It is dimmable, so you can dim it down. On high, the light has 500 lumens of light on each side. The tip has 150 lumens. It does wirelessly charge via USB-C. It has a 4400 milliamp battery inside, so it's going to last a long time. On high, it should run 3.5 hours on high. And the cool part about it, you can buy the kit, which comes with one light and the charging base, for $71.84 off of Amazon. And you can add the second light for $62.41 off of Amazon. All these will be linked below in the description, and that way you can pick them up. But if you got both lights, that's going to get you all day long through running off of the same thing. Super simple. Place it on the charging base, it grabs a hold, and voila, both lights are charging. As you can see, they got the charge indicators here and here, so you can see what kind of charge level you have, as well as when it's running. They'll also drop down as you run the light. I really like the feature. You don't have to drill any holes in your box. As you can see, this is just simply, and the magnets are super strong on it. It's just magnet to my box, and it'll stay there. And then of course the lights themselves, got the charging indicator here. They just pop right on there, and you're good to go. I'm a huge fan of the blade style lights. I really like it. I really like the fact that they added the hook on there, because a lot of the vehicles you work on now is not magnetic. At least you can throw that hook up there, you can hook it up, hang it up, it swivels all the way around, whatever direction you want to need it. If you decide you don't want to use your light to charge wirelessly, you simply pull the cover off, and it has the USB-C charging port right there. But like I say, you can buy both of these lights on Amazon and get the charging base. Throw the charging base on the side of your toolbox, throw the lights on there. There's no excuse really to set it down other than throwing it back on the charger, and that way you'll always have a charged light. I'm super impressed by these. I've had them about 2 weeks now, and I've been using them, and I really, really like these lights. The quality of them is really good. I've dropped this light a few times and it's still working fine, so I believe we're going to be okay with that. But I definitely like the features that the light has. I like the fact that it's got the light on the tip. And that way you're looking down in something, it's easy to see versus it blinding you by bouncing off when you're using a blade style. But I am fond of the blade style. I do like the fact that you can light both of them up at one time. You're hanging it up and it provides a lot of light. I think Astro did a really good job with these. I like the fact that it is dimmable. Me personally, I always run my lights on high, but you know, I know a lot of guys will dim them down, you know, to conserve the battery. Which me, with two of them and the wireless charging features, it don't really bother me. I run them on high. When they run down, I throw it on the charger and grab the other one, and you're good to go. But anyway, guys, that's the video today. Check these lights out. The part number on the light kit with the one light and the charging base is 52SLC. It's $71.84 on Amazon. The regular light itself is a 52SL, is $62.41 on Amazon. So be sure to check these out. Like I say, the links will be below. I don't think you're going to find a better light and more features. Just the ability to throw it on the side of your box between jobs and let it charge is pretty awesome. I've got a couple of other lights that charge wirelessly, but these are by far my favorite. I do like the blade style, and they seem to last a long time. Anyway, guys, that's the video today. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free, never costs you guys a dime. Y'all have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time.